Good morning, hunters. Another day, another hunt. So it's Wednesday. Who's ready to hunt with us? Yesterday we hunted for AI. Okay, so today we got the earnings for AI after hours. So watch out for a huge volatility. Profit taking hit on the pre-market today around the 47 as we discussed it yesterday. Yeah, we went until the 47. Yes, 47. Now it's down 6%. Yesterday we did 33%, so not bad. We got Microvision. We have a breakout yesterday. WLDS, good day yesterday, 57%. And ATTO, yeah. Yesterday 82, now 8% down. We'll check our watch list for today. Let's see our watch list or stock screener. We might find something. Welcome everybody. Martin Apollo, Xander, Amjad, Attila 2001, Gal KZ, Marco. Welcome everybody. Those the early birds here. We got Martin Apollo always first with Xander. Always first here. Good morning, John. Good morning, brother. Here is almost 3, so afternoon. Okay, so let me just check our stock screener for today. We got this pharmaceutical company, the first one, ARDS. Let me just check if we got something. Yeah, jumping almost 100%, but from the bottom, from the abyss. Yeah, it's looking dangerous, this one. Heavily shorted. Look at this. We might have a huge dump after that for this one, so I don't trust it. Really, I don't trust this stock. Anyway, we might have the $1 once again because as everybody knows, pharmaceutical company always got news, and usually after the news might squeeze from the bottom. We got earnings, I think today. Yeah, today. But it's not clear when, pre-market or after hours. Anyhow, yeah, I think today. Yeah, we already had our earnings, but not pretty good. But it's better than the last earning. So we got FDA kind of approval for the phase 3 study of clinical study design. Okay, so we got a new FDA kind of approval, but not approval, just phase 3. So it's about to have approval. As everybody knows that ARDS has been one of the stock that we've been watching before because it's kind of have a roller coaster ride downhill. We'll check if we gonna get something interesting after we break the 4150. We might have a great action for this one to have another 100%, but I will take my profit there around the 50. So ARDS, we might trade this one. Let me just check. Press the like button on the way in. Good morning, Lab Design. Oh, it's good evening for you. And here afternoon. So good evening is mean you are in Asia. Because in America is morning. In Europe now it's afternoon. If you go to the other far east, you go at the light, like the sun would be sitting over there. So you are in Asia, like near China or something like this. I don't know. This is Lab Design. Ben Price, welcome. We're still waiting for Luis. Yesterday we didn't see Luis. Maybe we see Luis today. This crazy guy. We missed this guy. Tokyo, exactly. Yes. 10 p.m. now. Michael, of course, AI is on our watch list. We're going to discuss it. Golden Face, AI is on the list for today because the earnings after hours, we might have a great action because now it's pulling back. We're watching for entry. And we're still pulling back our stock screener, so we might find something. Patience, patience, Golden Face, patience. So watch with me, we got ARDS, AI, and Microvision. So all of them looking nice for today. Let me just go and check another one. We got TOMZ. TOMZ. This one might be interesting. Again, I don't trust this. I don't trust this one. Look at this. Look at the chart, man. Look at the chart. The chart tells us everything. And this one tells us that is heavily manipulated. Yes, it's looking dangerous. Yeah, we already had the jump here, but the price got shorted around the $1.20. But I'm not interested. Bass, I will pass on this one. VTGN, maybe we already discussed it in our pre-market watch list. Yes, this one is a maybe. We got 12 million in pre-market, not bad. The other one we might trade is MRKR, pharmaceutical company, of course. Nope. Not interested. TRVN. Okay, this one might be interested. Interesting. Might be. Okay, we spotted some seller here. And we might have the $2 and we might have this level. We got $2.79 and the $2 or $1.99. We got some levels to take profit for this one. If we jump today, it would be good. TRVN 17%. Okay, we'll add this TRVN. However, we put it just above because it's not better than ARDS or AI. This one is still alive. This one, man. Yeah, this one. I think this jump happened today in pre-market. Yeah, so we already had almost 30% in pre-market open. So the seller still hiding around the 69. This one might be a good. For you guys asking about AI, we got a resistance here now around the 47. It's been tested in pre-market. Yesterday it was around the 41. We hit it, we broke it, and we got some action here. We might have, yes, we got the 36 as a support. We'll see if we have a continuation down when the market open. So this should be the first support, and then the 29. If we have a pullback, this would be the entry point. We have two entry points, 36, 29, 60. And remember that we got the earnings after hours 40 day. If we got good earnings, we might have a reversal today, and tomorrow will be like this, a pump from the reversal zone. This would be the good reaction for AI. That's what I'm expecting to happen, the good scenario actually. We always have a good scenario and bad scenario. I think for everything, in everything in life. So let me just give you an example. If you go on a trip, the good scenario that the car will be good, there is no flat tire, there is no like anything like bad in a big like heavy traffic or something. So the ride would be smooth. But the bad scenario is your flat would be tired, like some engine failure or something like this. And so you have to count the bad scenario in order to have good scenario. However, if you just think about the good scenario and something will happen bad, guess what happened? You be paranoid, you be stressed, and you never find the solution under stress, because you're not prepared. The same here with trading. If you're not prepared for taking loss or counting all the bad scenarios, what's gonna happen if you enter the trade, once the bad scenario will happen, you be paranoid, you be stressed, and you never actually have a good action or good decision under stressful situation. And the best way to delete stress is preparation. So preparing for the storm before it comes. So, Good morning, everybody, or good afternoon, or good evening. Yes, Kim. Yes, exactly. However, we are human, so emotion, you can't kill emotion. You can't be like, unless you are a serial killer, But normal human being have emotion. So don't say delete your emotion, You're gonna get angry. You're gonna get sad. You're gonna be not happy sometimes. But the idea is to know what triggered this reaction or emotion and acknowledge it. This is it. So a lot of people say, okay, be tough and don't cry. And no, come on, man. We are human. We have to actually sense this emotion. This is the joy of life. You don't have emotion toward anything. Come on, man. This is not life. Life is about reacting and having emotion. So if you lost money, of course, you can be sad, but acknowledge why you got in this situation in the first place. So yeah. Yes, man. But some people are too emotional, This is the situation. You have to be balanced, Too far east, too far west is not good. Even for the parties in America, if you're far left or far right is not good, You should balance the things out. Be flexible. Like Bruce Lee said, be like water, my friend. Exactly, just morphs. When you go to France, be French. Eat bread. Eat cheese. When you go to America, eat burgers or ribs. Whatever place you find yourself in, try to adapt. So now we are in the stock market. So we have to adapt. Okay, this stock was tricky yesterday. We tried to hunt it down. We got cut in this trade, man. Look, around this wick. So we exited with loss here around the 18 cent. As we said, exit here because this is not good. So sometimes we have to admit that the trade wasn't good. So you have to exit. You see what's happened here? After we exited, the price continued to go down almost 33%, man. 33%. So if we stayed, we had a huge loss. But we exited with, I think, 5 or 7%. So yeah, sometimes we have to acknowledge our mistake and get out as soon as possible. Because if you don't do nothing, is actually doing something. If you don't take this decision about closing the trade, is automatically you make the decision that you're holding. And this is the worst case scenario because you can't control what's gonna happen next. CVNA. Okay, I'm watching CVNA, guys, for the $14. By the way, for the other stocks like Nvidia, we have a pullback. So yesterday we hit the 420, which is the price target for many analysts talk about. So we kind of hit it. I think we hit the 490.52 and the price went down. So the time being, we need to hold over this level, the 390, if we don't want to have a continuation down for Nvidia. Now is almost 1 or 2% down. If we drop from the 390, we might have a drop of 6% more. So it would be almost 7% down for Nvidia. So yeah, we'll see if we hold over the 390. Otherwise, it would be a good short opportunity. Tesla doing all right, not bad so far. Palantir's going down. Amazon, on the other hand, looking pretty nice for a breakout. Yes, looking pretty nice for a breakout now. See with me, we have a flag forming. We got the flag, guys. Boom. This is really interesting. First, we accumulated here between the 114 and 118, and now we accumulating upside down, or the other side. So we kind of have a flag. So the price is the chart for Amazon looking pretty nice now. We might have a 6%. So this trade should be a 6% trade. Bud Monster, yes, many analysts actually said 420. Fabrice, I don't drink alcohol, brother. But yeah, wine is good here, especially in Bordeaux. Jim have a filter just for short sellers. You just hear shorts. We talk about many stuff and you just spotted the short. John Friedman, AITX. Okay, we might have action for it. We'll check if we're gonna have something. Attila asked about GFAI if it's bullish now. And Martin asked about top. Yeah, top, what a crazy action we had yesterday. Good morning, Maxime Petrov. Okay, let me just go here and check this one, OTC market. Okay, so this one have a bit of the price action is delayed by 15 minutes. So even if the market open, we never gonna have update for the chart until 15 minutes past. So I will not recommend trade this one on the market open. We have to wait 15 minutes. However, yesterday we have 23 jump, 23%. If this jump is not fake, we have to do something this time, at least break this level. Yeah, and this one is pretty cheap, so I don't recommend buying it because it's risky. Boom. I think we need to have an action over the 25, 0.25 or around the 2 cents. So yeah, AITX is around the 25, 0.25, where the action will start, but not now. Let me just bring top. Top did 22% yesterday, and we got unhalted. It's been almost 2 weeks down. We don't have any reaction. The price pumped, then dumped. You see what happened here? We have a huge pump after the unhalting, 100%. Then the price went down from the 12.60 until the 8. Now close around the $9.90. Or yesterday we closed around the 10. So yeah, we got the 12.64 to watch out for capital, for top. So we got something 12.64. 12.64 should be our kind of resistance to break for top. And this one kind of it's going down, down, and down. I will watch for a break here. 1360, yeah, would be a great action. AMC is sleeping, guys. AMC is sleeping. No action. No action. It's going again back to the supported $3.80. I'm watching for the $1.26 for AMC because now is not looking good. You see, we're still doing lower highs here. Boom, boom. Price continue to go down after the 2 bad earnings. Yes, AMC doesn't look good. We tried to break the $8.57, but the price gave up. ARDS, guys, ARDS. We got some news and earnings and everything's good for the stock to jump. Yeah, we kind of have phase 3 clearance for FDA. Clearance for FDA approval for ARDS pharmaceutical company. So we watching ARDS on the open because we got some news and we got some action. ARDS, we might hunt this one on the open. Let me just check. AI 6% down. Yeah, we expect the price go toward the 36. Microvision, yes. TRVN, nope. WLDS. Yeah, we got just few stocks today. Not too much. Not too much action for today. So ARDS, we got some levels to watch for today. Yeah, we got the 26 or the 27 and the 33. We'll see if we gonna have a pump when the market open over the 42. Would be a good action for ARDS. Another 37%. We might have a good action just below the $1. ARDS, who's ready? Come on guys, let's press the like button on the way in. Remember that our live streaming is a bit delayed. Don't follow me blindly. And our live streaming is a bit delayed, almost 10 seconds. We can do nothing about it. It's kind of from YouTube. So yeah, remember we have a bit delayed. And again, remember that day trading is risky, and let the price come to you and never run after the price. And please hit the likes button on the way in. Let's hit 50 likes before the market open. Let's go. The market is about to open. We have a few seconds on the stock market, on the opening bell. So let's get right to it. We're watching ARDS on the open. ARDS. Let's see if we hold the 33. Okay. Are we gonna pump or dump? ARDS 93%. We'll watch still. Okay, pull back. AI is pumping. AI is pumping. We'll see a test here. We'll see if we have a continuation here. Otherwise, we're gonna go here around the 43 and then pull back around the 36. So it's not clear yet. We have a test for this AMA. See with me, a test and rejection. See what's happened here? A sell off because we tested our AMA. Boom, price went down. So now we'll watch if we gonna do another low around below the 40. So if we saw the price go below the 40, guys, we're gonna see a huge pump down toward the 36. Watch out, the price is going down heavily now. Oh, ARDS, guys, ARDS is looking good. Let me just see. We have two huge buying pressure over the 33. So someone's still buying. AI, guys, selling. AI is not good now. We have our test and rejection. You see what's happened here? Before the earnings. So there's insider trading for AI. Someone's kind of have a peak for the earnings and start selling. So maybe we have bad earnings now for AI. Someone selling before the earnings, so we might have insider trading, guys. And ARDS is pulling back, so I'm watching closely here. If we hold the 33, we might have a huge pump. This is it for ARDS. Would be a crazy pump if we held here. Let's see what's gonna happen. Okay, the market is a bit red today. Watch out. We have sea of red. Look, we have a sea of red. Let me just go on blue chip company. We got Tesla red a bit. Meta, Amazon as well. Yeah, kind of breaking the trend. Nvidia as well. But we're not pulling back big time, so it's just 1%, 2%. So this is just pull back. Oh man, ARDS broke our support. Not good. Not good at all. AI still continue to go down, so I'm watching for the 36, guys, for AI, for a reversal. TXAI, some of you said making moves. Yes, we had the move, but we got rejected. So many rejection happened on the market open. See what's happened here? TXI got rejected, the same reaction as happened for AI. Guys, now is kind of market is bearish, so I don't suggest to enter. That's why we didn't enter today. We don't have a good setup actually. We don't have a good setup for today. Yes, you see, for this one is pulling back, for that pulling back. So we have to be patient, guys. This one didn't hold our support. I was watching ARDS for holding the 33, then breaking the 42 and squeezing toward the 57, but we had the other reaction. We didn't hold the support. Now we're gonna go to other support, the 27 cent. If we held here, we're gonna have a reversal, otherwise game over. So I'm watching ARDS for holding over the 27 for entry, AI for the 36 test. So I'm watching for a pullback for two stocks to enter, but so far I'm not entering. I'm so far on the sideline. Watch out, guys. Okay, we got Carney LLC, VQS, Martin Apollo, exactly. Unicorn are hiding. I think we're gonna find a unicorn soon, but we have to be patient. You know, guys, when we don't have a good setup, the idea is not trading. Not trading is trading. Remember that. So we not force a trade if there is no good setup. It mean we secure or our profit that we did yesterday and wait for the right moment. It's like you are in jungle. If you just running around to hunt for a rabbit or gazelle, you never find anything. You have to just wait, hide in a bush, put your traps here and there and wait. You don't have to run. You lose your energy. Let me just check. VQS. Let me just check this one. Okay, 100 and jumping. Yes, this one. It's kind of tricky. Still already pumped big time. 36 from here and still pumping. Yeah, we might have a pullback here. So it's getting near a pullback zone. I don't trust this one. Okay, we'll check it later if we broke this level. TRVN, no, still below the $1.53. VQS, we might have rejection now, as we said, the 54. So I'm watching for the 54 break. ARDS is still pulling back. AI still pulling back. VQS, I think this is one is really promising. We might have some action for this one later. Guys, press the like button and the way in, don't forget. No, low volume for this one. Okay, SoFi. Yes, SoFi looking good. SoFi already had our profit taken. Now it's going toward the 7. Guys, SoFi is going toward the 7, guys. Watch out. Or the $6.90. SoFi looking good. SoFi looking pretty nice for a continuation for today. Yeah, SoFi looking good. And let me just put support there. VQS. Let's pull it back. Yeah, as we said here, we should have a pullback around the 54. Now we pull back, so good shorting opportunity here, guys. As we said, 54.70 is the rejection zone, so watch out. That's why I don't like it to enter here. Yeah, we're already 12% down. VQS, who actually told us? Yeah, Carney LLC. As we said, exit here. It's not good. It's pulling back. SoFi, yes, SoFi is looking good. As long as we hold the 6, we're gonna go toward the 7. ARDS, come on. I needed to go toward the 27 to enter. If we broke here, it's kind of risky. I won't enter. I don't suggest to enter here. This kind of trade, man, is kind of making me a bit frustrated, you know? Because when you wait for a stock to go to your support, but it didn't or never hit your support and actually reversed before it, you missed the trade. But I would rather miss the trade than enter than we have a reversal. So I don't suggest to enter here because we didn't go back toward the 27. Let's see. SoFi, ARDS, AI. Let me just check if we got something here. Okay, SoFi looking interesting. Let's go with small position for SoFi. Now it's 8%. Okay, it's pumping. Let's see a test for before just the $7. Let me just check how much we can do if we pumped. Yeah, give or take 5%. Support is over the 6 or over this AMA. VQS. Yeah, we pulled back from the 54. Let me just check if we have a support for this one. Yeah, the support is a bit far, really far, around the 38. ARDS is pumping, man. This one is tricky, man. Tricked us, really tricked us. Now it's squeezing. ARDS is squeezing. VQS got shorted right around our resistance, the 47.70. As we said it, some of you said VQS is pumping, so we don't suggest to enter for this one. That's why we saw this test and the price went down from there. SoFi is pumping, guys. SoFi is pumping. Yeah, now we are just 1% on this trade. We'll see a continuation for this one. We'll see. AI, let me just check AI. Around the $40 and it's pumping. As we said, the 36 should be the first support. ARDS, VQS got shorted big time, guys. What a crazy resistance, man. What a crazy resistance. 20% pullback. This is madness. SoFi is pulling back as well. Okay. This is a new high for today, so this is normal. We have pullback. Okay, many of you asking about CXAI. Guys, remember, we always do our live streaming around 3 p.m. CET. So press the like button, follow if you didn't actually already with our 100 channel in order to get notified by our live streaming that we're gonna do tomorrow before the market open. Where's CXAI? Yeah, CXAI kind of holding. We have a bit of light volume for CXAI. Yeah, a bit light. We got the $9.90 kind of support. Resistance is a bit far, around the 17.24. Yeah, not good action for CXI today. That's why we don't watch it. We're watching SoFi instead. SoFi looking good, guys, for a continuation. SoFi toward the 7. SoFi toward the 7. VQS, as we said, don't go in for this one, guys. We spotted the head and short seller here around the 54. That's why we suggest to hold until we break this level to enter toward the 68, but we didn't. That's why it's wise never enter after this huge pump. See what's happened? We lost all the gain that we did, man, already. ARDS is pumping. This one is tricky. This one is tricky one. It's jumping because we have phase 3 for clearance for FDA approval for a new drug. That's why this stock is pumping like crazy. SoFi is pumping, guys, and we're still holding this trade around the $6.54. We're already almost 3% on this trade. So we expect it to go toward the $7. So this one, yeah, this one is good trade. SoFi is hitting kind of our first profit taken. Let's see if we gonna hit it. The second profit taken is around the 8. So we got the 7, 8. So the support is the 6. Profit taken is the 7 or below the 7. First one, of course, then the 8. So it's really pretty straightforward and simple technical for this one. 6, 7, 8. But always prefer to take profit before the 7. This one game over, guys. Let me just put ARDS. This one mean business. AI mean business. So ARDS, we almost entered for this one. We were waiting for testing at least the 28, 27, but we went until the 29. Yeah, boom. Now this one is gone, baby, gone. You know what I'm gonna do? I'm kind of feeling FOMO, but I'm not entering until we have a test and a pullback here around 42. So I'm watching this one. This is was a good lesson for us, really good lesson. I should have actually entered here around this accumulation area. It was a good entry. Yeah, we're already 17% on this one. Okay, SoFi. Okay, I'm gonna close this trade with just 2% profit. It's pulling back. ARDS, man, I'm gonna enter for this one, but I'm waiting for the 42 clear. ARDS, man, we have a huge news, guys, for this one. We have FDA approval clearance for a new drug just 20 minutes ago. So we got great news. I think this one should be a unicorn stock for today. We were watching. I almost entered here. You see what's happened here? This one was tricky because we broke the support, man, around the 33. If we held it, was really good entry, but we broke the support, then we held over the second support, then we pumped. So this one is really tricky. I'm gonna study it today because you see, in trading, you can't say that you know everything, you know. There's always a stock come and teach you something, you know. So this is kind of make me humble, you know. You never say that you know everything or okay, you're good at technical. No. Sometimes some stock, you come and slap you in your face until you wake up. Wake up. And this is good. Okay, now ARDS might be the one. Let me just put it here. ARDS might be the unicorn stock that we've been waiting for this week. Oh man, it's getting near. The squeeze is about to happen. Luis, brother. Happy to see you here, brother. Yes, Elite, I know. Take less fraction of the second actually to hit the like button. But less than half of people watching, they forget, Elite, 100%. Many of our hunters here, they forget to plus the like button because everybody focus on trading. Okay, ARDS, guys, might be the one. If you want to ride this one, guys, is the 42 is our level to actually squeeze. The 42 should be the squeeze, guys. The 42 should be the squeeze area. But watch out, guys. You should take profit here. There's a resistance coming up. As we said, here a huge resistance. The 42 is a massive resistance area. Here a breakout and a resistance. SoFi is going toward the 7. ARDS is pulling back. AI is pulling back. VQS, whoa, went toward our bottom support. So this is the bottom for VQS. What a crazy day, man. ARDS, SoFi, great hunt, guys. SoFi, great hunt for SoFi. Okay, SoFi toward the 7, guys. SoFi, someone bought big time over the 6 here when the market opened. Huge whale bought for SoFi. Let me just check if we got earnings back then. Yeah, last earning was pretty nice. Not here, man. Yes, here. Yeah, last of May. Perfect. So SoFi looking good, guys. SoFi looking good for continuation. ARDS is pulling back now. Yes, it's pulling back. As we said, guys, the 42 is the breakout zone. Take your profit here if you already entered around the 33. Get out. Yeah, SoFi looking good. Getting near the $7. As we said, take your profit below the $7 because we might get a pullback here. Below the $7 should be a pullback zone. BJDX is pumping but not good, guys. I don't suggest to trade this one. Really bad. SoFi looking pretty nice. ARDS guys. We'll watch now for this one. This is the squeeze where we're gonna have a huge pump once again for ARDS. Otherwise, a huge dump down once again toward the 27. If we broke toward the 57, let me just check how much we can do from here. Another 36%. Now is 108%. So the action for ARDS, guys, we have good news and we have good technical. No, we didn't get Mark on our list. Guys, press the like button and the way in. Yes, female wealth. SoFi is a good trade. SoFi is really strong, guys. SoFi is really strong. We have good earnings back in May. And now holding over the $6. You see here, we entered here around the new high around the $6.50. We took already our profit around the $6.80 and now going toward the 7, guys. So SoFi is really strong. You see what's happened here? We have a huge seller actually shorted here. The price bought back, went up, another seller come in, and the price is still continue to go higher. So there's someone buying, guys, every dip for SoFi. You see this pattern? We're still pumping. You see what's happened? A new high now. A new high toward the $7. SoFi toward the $7, guys. Alert, SoFi toward the 7. Again, guys, press the like button. Come on, we can do better, guys. Look, we have almost 150 people watching and just 62 likes. Come on, guys, show some love. And remember, we always do our pre-market live streaming before the market open to check the stocks that will be hunted for today, like ARDS and SoFi. Both of them we hunted for today. ARDS, as we said, there's a resistance around the 42. SoFi is around the $7. So yeah, and today always we do the pre-market here on our Discord and our Patreon. Okay, last time we did the day trade, yeah, for AI. Yeah, we updated AI from last update we did around the 25th. It was really good hunt for our hunters when we did this chart analysis update. It was good entry here, guys, over this ascending channel, and we went until our second profit taking the 42. Yes, this one was really good hunt. What? Let me just check. Yeah, 42. We already triggered our profit taking here. Boom. So we watching SoFi and ARDS. Look, ARDS is squeezing, guys. ARDS is squeezing right now. ARDS. Let me just check if we could enter a small position here. Let me check if we actually pump, because we might have a fake out. Watch out. Boom. Let's see if we hold over this breakout. Watch out, guys. We're still testing 1 minute. We're still testing 1 minute. We need to break and hold over the 42 to confirm this breakout for ARDS. Still holding. Yes, good. ARDS is pumping, guys. ARDS is pumping. Alert. ARDS is pumping. Let me just put another level here around the 37.90. So this is a new support, guys, for ARDS, the 37.90. ARDS, guys. ARDS mean business. Let's go. Watch out, guys. We still don't have a clear yet. We need to have a clear for this level, the 42. You see what's happened here? We don't have a breakout yet. Maybe now this 1 minute candle will be the confirmation for a breakout. Come on, we need a new high around the 43. Boom, we have a breakout. Breakout for ARDS. Come on, we need the 50 cent now. We need the 50 cent. 50 cents. We need the 50 cent to come here and sing for us a song for this stock to go toward the 50 cent. 130% for ARDS. Come on, where's the pump? Where is the pulls? Where's the pulls, man? Yes, come on, we need another kick. What's going on here? Let me just check level 2. Whoa, huge seller, guys. Huge seller. It's not moving, but still there's a buyer over the 42. Yeah, so the 42 is still a huge seller here around the 42.80. That's why the price is not moving up. They're not covering yet. Come on, we need a huge short seller cover by seeing a huge green candle. Come on, we need the 50 cent. Now it's 43, 44. Yeah, 45. This is good. This is what we're talking about. Let's go. 45, 46. Great, guys. We're already 6% on this one. Let's ride it. We're gonna take our first profit around the 50 cents, then the 57. This one might go, guys. This one could actually go and run. If we're still holding the 42, would be a good indication for strength. We need another kick. Another kick. Come on. $46. Okay. Come on. There's a seller added here around the 46. Oh man, those guys. Okay, 46, 47. Great, guys. Great. Now we are 12% on this trade. 12% on this trade. Let's go. Let's go. We need the 50. Come on. The short is covering. 47. You know what? I'm gonna take profit here just in case. Yes, profit is profit, guys. 12% is good. We'll see the other profit taken around the 50 and the 57. Make sure to take profit on the way, guys. Those stocks is crazy. We might have hidden seller. And always have kind of a rule. 10%, 20% take profit, exit. How everybody doing? How everybody doing? G Unit, let's go. Luis, you already entered early around our support, so it's good. You already took really good profit. Let's go, guys, for the 50. Luis left us hanging by ourselves. Yes, now is pullback. Pullback time. Pullback time. Pullback time, guys. Pullback time. So that's why we suggest always to take profit, guys. We might have hidden seller. So we got hidden seller here around the 47. See what's happened? We have a pullback. That's why we suggest to take profit around the 47. There's always hidden seller, guys. They always hidden seller before even the profit taken. Good hunt, Luis. Good hunt. You are welcome, brother. You are welcome. Luis did good, 20%. So we sense some hidden seller. That's why, guys, we said exit here on the 47. Now its price is pulling back. As we said, we don't trust those kind of stocks. Sometimes we gonna go actually and squeeze toward the 57, and sometimes we have hidden seller like this one. So that's why we suggest to exit with profit around the 47. And even if you don't want to exit, take at least 50%, guys. Always take 50%. So when we were up to 12%, we said exit. So it's good. 12% is good. However, in the time being, we have the 37.94 as a support. So this is our support, guys. If we held it, we're gonna have a reversal and going toward the 57. Okay, so everything is good now. Everything is good as long as we hold this level of support. So let me just watch. 37 is our support now. AI is going down. VQS not good. So guys, we have a good trade here for ARDS. ARDS 12% is good. Not bad. So ARDS pulled back, but now we watching the 37.90 for a continuation. If we held, guys, game on. If we held, game on toward the 57, and we might do 37%. So ARDS is still strong. We'll see a continuation or not. MRKR. Yeah, maybe this one, maybe. Yeah, maybe good. Yeah, guys, this one maybe would be good. If we break the $2, we enter for this one as well. This one maybe would be a good trade for today. Let me just check if we got something here and there to take profit. Yeah, we might go toward the $2.77 if we broke the $2. Yeah, this one looking good. SUVI is still accumulating around this area. ARDS is still holding. Boom, we have a bounce. Yes, let's go. We might see a new high, guys. Now we might see a new high for ARDS. 140%. Would be a really great day if we went toward the 57. Would be a great day, guys. Really great day. Press the like button and the way in, guys. Press the like button and the way in. And only take less than 1 second. Like Elite said. Less than 1 second to press the like button. It's really important to press the like button in order our live streaming will be shown to other hunter and traders. That's why we're here. We help other traders to take profit and as well to not lose money. That's why we do our live streaming to help other traders out. SoFi. Okay, so we watching for ARDS and MRKR for a pullback. Yeah, ARDS started to pull back. To pull back. So watch out, guys, for the 37.90. This support we should hold if we want to have a continuation for ARDS. Otherwise, we're gonna have a huge pullback. This is it. Okay, Tesla, we got Amazon still not ready. Palantir as well. Yeah, we got some red day. AMD as well pulling back. We'll see what's gonna happen. CVNA pulling back as well. Red day, red day, red day. Except for ARDS. You see, when the market is red, the pharmaceutical company go against the current. You know why? Because it have huge engine. So all the stocks here actually sailing at the same ocean. Okay, that's why it's all red, because the current of the market is red, it's blood. So all the chip is kind of serving this ocean, and this ocean going in the same current, which is the red current. However, an ARDS is not the same. You know why? Because it's not a ship, it's a rocket. So whatever happened in the ocean, doesn't care. We don't care about the current of the ocean, but we care about the current of the air or the atmosphere or whatever. So ARDS going up like this, and all the stocks actually surfing the waves. So ARDS doesn't surf. It's actually pumping up like a rocket. See the launch. The launch happened here when the market opened. Boom. Huge launch. I think this one is SpaceX. Boom. Going to the moon. Or maybe even Mars. We might have another kick, guys, because now is accumulating. We might have another kick. This one I'm watching for the $2 break. MRKR. We got suggestion here from our hunters. So yeah, we might have a kick. So VI is pulling back big time. That's why we exited, guys. That's why we took profit before this profit taken. ARDS. Okay, the market red, so we might have the current actually drag even ARDS down, because now ARDS is 132% up. Nope, this one not good. Let me just check this one. Where is, yeah, this one. Okay, this one is pulling back actually from the $2 bottom support. Not bad, but still not good to buy now. It's risky to buy here for this stock. Yeah, it's kind of risky. Yeah, we got some resistance coming up here. Code phase, this is the decision you have to make for AI, because we have earnings. We don't know what's going to happen. You know what's happened for AI right now? The sentiment, a lot of people or insiders sold AI before the earnings, because everything goes after the earnings. If the earnings good, we might have a huge pump, of course. So now, if we want to have at least a confirmation that we're going to have a reversal, is the 36, so it's coming. So this is the support. If we broke it, will be kind of critical for AI. At least in the small picture, not the big picture. Big picture, our bottom here around the 29.60. So after the earnings, if the earnings good like before, we might have a reversal for tomorrow from the 36. If we hold it, of course, when the market open or the market close over the 36, good earnings, we're gonna have a reversal going toward the 53. If we have bad earnings or bad news, or investors don't like what they see in balance sheet, we might have a break for the 36, and this would be a first warning sign. So you have two reaction right now and two support. First support 36, second support 29.60. So for my opinion, even in big picture, if we broke the 29, I don't like this. This means a sell-off once again. And you know, AI is not normal stock. You see what this waves? Up and down, up and down, up and down. So swing is okay, but day trade is risky. Day trade is really risky for AI. That's why we always close it before sometimes when the market close. However, if we have a good entry, we could actually enter and we hold it for a few days, like what we did last week. But during the earnings, everything goes, guys. During the earnings, I always trade like Nvidia, sometimes Tesla. Yeah, I trade before the earnings and hold, of course, because it's swing trade. But for AI, before the earnings is kind of dangerous because everything goes. That's why a lot of people selling before the earnings. Whoa, ARDS, guys. ARDS is holding over the 42. This is madness. This is madness. Okay, we might have a squeeze, guys, for ARDS right now toward the 57. We just missing few cents for a squeeze. AI or ARDS is about to squeeze, guys. No, it's going. It's going, guys. It's going. Today would be ARDS day. Yeah, we got ARDS, guys. Just ARDS. Then we got SoFi, maybe AI. Yeah, ARDS is about to pump, guys, now. Look at this. Look at this beautiful chart. Holding over the 41, and now another kick, another kick, another kick, and another pump. Yes, it's going, guys. ARDS. Yeah, CXAI held the support perfectly. CXAI, yeah, this is madness. We have a huge pump. Yeah, the 17, guys, the 17.24 should be profit taking and resistant. Support is the $9.85. However, I'm watching ARDS, guys. ARDS toward the 57. What a crazy trade this one was. I will be ready to take another profit here around the 57 pretty soon for ARDS. Yes, now let me just check. Okay, let me just check. It's still pumping. Now is almost 20% on this trade. We entered around the 41.70 for this trade. With small position because this one is risky. I always suggest, guys, to enter with small position for high risk trade. You see, we're already up like 20% and we did good profit, you know. So you have to be wise. Don't enter with a huge position on those kind of trade. Now we hit the 50 cent and the huge seller was hiding there. You see what's happened? The 50 cent it hit. We hit it, guys. 50 cent, we hit it. We saw the 50 cent. Yeah, not the guy, not the singer. We saw the 50 number. Yes, Louise, finally. Guys, press the like button on the way in. As we said, we entered for ARDS around the 41 for this breakout zone, and we said we're gonna hit the 50. We hit it right now, and if we broke the 50, we're gonna go toward the 57 for ARDS. ARDS might be the unicorn stock that we've been waiting for. ARDS is still holding this stock, guys. Small position, and we're already up 20% on this trade, and now we're watching for a cover up for a short seller here. The 50 now is going toward the 57, guys. 57 is the profit that we waiting for ARDS. ARDS almost 200%, and we might see a huge unicorn for today. ARDS is the unicorn stock, because we got major news, FDA approval for new drug, but it's still not yet because it's on the phase 3. Boom. 50 cents now is going toward Eminem. 50 cents, Snoop Dogg, everybody's coming for this stock. There's big festival coming up after this stock will we finish the trading today. We're gonna have a huge festival. SoFi. Guys, press the like button on the way in. Come on, we almost 100 likes. Whoa. ARDS, guys. ARDS pumping like no tomorrow. We're waiting for the 57. Come on. Come on. We need the 57. CXAI, we have a resistance here around the $14. Then we got a profit around the 17, 24, and the 22. So watch out, we have a resistance coming up. Support is still around the $9.85. ARDS is pulling back. SoFi is already pulled back. AI is getting near our bottom support. Not bottom, but the first support. The 36. Okay, pulled back time, pulled back time. What's going on with ARDS? SDA. Nope, I'm not gonna trade this one. It's a bit expensive for my opinion. We have IPO around the 5, now around the 30. Yeah, no, not good this one. CXAI is about to break. CXAI is about to break. It's about to break the resistance. And ARDS is pulling back as well. This one is game over, guys. VQS game over. And CXAI is pullback time. We are gonna have a pullback now. This is a resistance around the $14. No, SDA is not worth it, guys. I check it and it's not worth it. We're getting ready for a huge pullback. Watch out, guys. We have a huge red 5-minute candle. If we broke the 41, is mean not good. Just watch out. The 41 should be our support now. We should have a pullback right now for ARDS to continue to go higher. Otherwise, it's game over. And it's mean ARDS is not unicorn. And if you asking what I mean by unicorn is mean the stock is going over the 200 and 300 and holding the gain for the whole day. This is called unicorn, at least for one day. And we already had this kind of stocks in the beginning of this year. Some stocks jumped 400% and the other 700% and some 300%. And they all have that in common, that they pump and continue to go higher and never break the bullish trend. So for ARDS, I have a doubt, guys. I have a big doubt for ARDS, because if we broke the 4170, it will be dicey. But we got rejected around the 5380. Yeah, before the 57. Yeah, it's tricky here. Yeah, it's about to break now. Game over. Not yet. We'll see. The short is still shorting. 4176. And the light would be unblocked. Okay, let's go in the 5-minute. MRKR. It's preparing for something. We'll see if we're gonna have something for this one. And by the way, guys, we have a few places left. We opened some places left for the Discipline Hunter, because we got some questions about the second level, because yesterday it was sold out. So yeah, there's 2 places. I opened just 2 places for the Discipline Hunter. If you want to join, you have this is your opportunity, of course. And let me just check. Let me just put our. We got question about how to join our Patreon. Of course, once you join our Patreon, you have you get access to our Discord. Okay, so it's the same. A lot of you asking about Discord. So if you join Patreon, you're gonna have access to our Discord. So the link is here. You can actually join. And if you have a question, just send me on. My business email is trading.jesus.contact@gmail.com. Yes, Jim, exactly. AI have earnings. It's kind of a gamble right now. Yeah, AI, it was a good hold last week, not today. Not this week. Last week it was a really good hold, because we were bouncing from the support. Now we overextended, you know. Yes, Alvaro, exactly. CXAI would be a good to enter on the pullback. As we said, we hitting a resistance, guys, around the $14. So it's not wise to enter. That's why we have pullback. ARDS, we hit the 50 and we got rejected. However, we're still holding over the 4170. So this is it for ARDS. If we broke the 4170, not good. It's time for a pullback. If we held the 4170, it means there's another kick toward the 57. So now there's doubt, guys. It's not good that we actually come back to test the support once again. This is a weakness. So we might break it now. Just watch out. 4170 should be our support. Exactly. The way he said is holy water time. Of course. It's almost finished. And it's really cold, man. Yes. Imagine you get this water in the desert, man. Whoa. I think I saw a movie. Someone really rich got stranded in this desert. And someone came by and offered him a water, and he told him he gonna offer, like, give him, I don't know, like too much gold and silver because he saved him. Just glass of water. It was for that rich guy worth millions. Imagine. And we take this for granted. Drinking water just from the faucet, and we take this for granted. So yeah, sometimes we forget the little things, you know, that we never think about it. So yeah, just drinking water, we say thank you, whatever, who actually brought the water to us. Thank you for making us alive. Anyway, gratitude, guys, never forget. Joe Friedman. Yes, ARDS. Oh man, ARDS. We checking this this prey, this crazy prey is kind of this gazelle has been bouncing here. You see here, this is the first bounce. Then this gazelle got hit here. There's so many, like 2 lions actually hunted the ARDS or the gazelle, and the gazelle was wounded, then recovered and bounced big time, then again get trapped by not lions but a back of hyena. So here we have a back of hyena catch this wounded gazelle here around the 53. And now the gazelle is trapped, you know, it's trapped between the jungle and the trees. And you know what? The hyena is still here around the 53, man. So now the gazelle is in a trap position. What he gonna do? There is here the riverside, okay? And there is a lot of crocodiles, okay? And here we have a jungle back of hyena. So what's the gazelle will do? There's 2 choices. Either go to the river, which back of crocodiles and alligators, and this is not good, man. If the gazelle went here, he will be killed, you know? So the idea is go to the back of hyena that hide in the jungle and try to outmaneuver them and escape from this crazy jungle. So we watching now. There's a crazy movie, guys. It's not just green and red candle I see a history. I see a movie. I see a battle between a prey and predators. So this is the stock market for you guys. Either kill or be killed.
Okay, I found this on the web for Hasty, a battle between prey and predators, so this is the stock market for you guys, either kill or be killed. Check it out.
Oh man, Siri, thank you Siri for this funny introduction. What a crazy thing. Oh man. What a great day to be alive. Come on, come on. We're watching ARDS. Come on, we need this gazelle to escape. This is really crazy. It's like the stock market is National Geographic right now. We turn this live streaming to National Geographic. Really, when I grew up, actually, I was watching like National Geographic and Discovery Channel each day, man. And was like watching like animals and lions and hyenas and things like this. I was fascinating, you know. So if I go back in time, or I don't know, if I go to another universe, I think I see myself being like one of the guys who on the camera and trying to go in the jungle and trying to have I don't know, be inside the animals side, you know. I can see myself actually doing this job, or helping some kind of animals from extinction, or I don't know. So this is my younger self, you know. I always fascinated by animals. CXAI breaking now. Okay, not breaking. We testing the 14. Is not breaking, guys. Is not breaking yet. Still below the 14. ARDS. ARDS, guys, looking still fighting the 41.76. Huge fight. Huge fight. Yeah, CXAI is pumping now. CXAI is pumping. Yes, a huge pump now. Yes, for CXAI over the 14. We might have the 17 now. Yeah, another 20%. Yeah, CXAI looking good. AI not good. CXAI it's kind of looking good. Not now. Okay, 1 minute candle still not closing. 27, 26, 25 seconds. So let's see this red candle turning to green to have a squeeze. Otherwise, we're gonna have a flush and a fake out. Oh boy, this is crazy. Really crazy what's happening here. Yeah, red candle on the breakout. Still not strong. Aha, ARDS. ARDS, we need a pump over the 78. Yeah, the 78 would be a good pump, but now still. For Exilla, let me just check. No, didn't break yet. CXAI, watch out, guys, didn't break yet. On the breakout, we have this red candle, not good. We need a green candle closed over. Exilla, we might have the pump now. Let me just watch. Exilla, 12%. Whoa, Exilla just tests our resistance, the $5.64. Yes, Exilla is testing. Testing mode. Boom. Exilla testing our resistance. And this one got rejected. Whoa, top is pulling back, guys. ARDS is pumping. ARDS, come on. ARDS, the gazelle is about to go to the jungle then. Wise, this is a wise decision for the gazelle to go to the jungle. But we have hyena, guys, is still hiding here around the 52. Watch out. This one will be a really exciting reaction because we got just 20 minutes, guys, before the whale will leave the market. So we need something right now for CXAI, ARDS, SoFi, and MRKR. CXAI is about to test once again. Guys, bless the like button on the way in. We almost 100 likes. Exactly. Many of you said when AI is down, all the market is down for AI, especially for semiconductors, because semiconductors have a relationship with AI. And last earnings for NVIDIA, it was heavily focused on AI growth and AI production and AI kind of like everything about improvement for the company toward AI. That's why we see NVIDIA pumped and the earnings. However, AI today is down. Look at NVIDIA and the other semiconductors. Yes, pulling back, huge pullback for NVIDIA. So yeah, good point of view when you said the AI is down and most of the market is down for AI. Anyway, CXAI is about to pump now. This is good, guys. This is good for CXAI. CXAI. ARDS looking good as well for another kick for the 57. Okay, CXAI looking good. Come on, we're missing 11 people, 11 guys and girls. 11 guys and girls to hit the 100, guys. 89, come on, let's turn this to 90. Or I just Photoshop it. Maybe I could Photoshop this and I put another 0 here below the likes. I think this is doable, you know. Make 900 likes. So yeah, we almost 100, now 93. We're missing 8 people, or 8 girls, or 8 guys. Boom, 93, 95. I can see 95 right now. Visualization, as everybody knows, by seeing something before you came to reality. Some say this is wishful thinking. Yeah, you see, 95. Now is the 100. Come on, guys, let's hit the 100. Wow, CXAI is still struggling. ARDS want to have another kick. ARDS want to have another kick. Iver, thank you, man, for 5 likes. We have we kind of find the loophole on YouTube. We can have like 5 likes for each person. Yeah, CXAI is still strong for the 1724. For today, if we go toward the 1724, would be a good profit, guys. 1724 would be a good profit. For ARDS, the 57 would be a good profit as well. if we have another cake right now, ARDS is about to have the short seller cover up. Oh boy, this one mean business. 49, 50. Oh man, this is crazy. We held perfectly over the 41.70 and now we have another cake. This is crazy. We might have a unicorn for today, guys. Watch out. ARDS might be the unicorn. Come on. We need to have the short to cover around the 52. Now it's 48. $160% up. We got almost 100 million. 100 million volume wise. ARDS is pumping with the news related of FDA approval for the new drugs, but the drug is on the what's called yes, phase 3 level. As everybody knows, after the phase 3 we might have approval for the drug. So ARDS looking good. CXAI. Okay, come on, we need a pump now. Yes, finally. Finally, we might have our pump right now. 14, yeah. Yes, holding right. Yes, finally, CXI is pumping now. Finally, we have a pump. ARDS is pulling back. Yeah, CXAI toward the 1724. RDS pulling back, and SoFi is getting near. It's getting near the 7 once again. Yeah, CXAI on the watch list. Code and face. Please never say I should've, I could've, I would've. This is a recipe for a miserable life. The idea is whatever happened, happened. The best we can actually change. Just learn from it. Those three words really I don't like. Plus, I don't like saying what if, you know. So the idea, if you want to have no regret, is just don't say those words. And the opposite of this thinking is have your mind that there's always opportunity. If you miss this opportunity, there's always another opportunity. It's hiding in a corner. Gem, story of my life. That's why we have to keep watching. Few stocks, not many stocks. Putting alert. Checking every day. Checking every day. Checking our bait. So never let any stock go. If you watching it, keep watching it. So this is a good lesson for you, Jim. CXAI is squeezing, guys, toward the 1724. This one is going. We have a breakout from the $14. Looking good. Okay, we got someone said my screen is frozen. I think Crony, please refresh your browser or whatever you're watching, because nobody actually said my screen is frozen. This means it's from your side, brother. Everything's good from my side. Yeah, I think ARDS is gonna break now, the 4170. And if we broke, it's game over. Okay, AI is still holding the 36. Not bad. Really not bad. GFAI, oh man, I forget this one. I forget this one to cover it. Whoa, GFAI is pumping. We got GFAI, CXAI, AI. Every AI is breaking up and doing new high. Okay, we got this one. SoFi, AI. Okay, GFAI as well is pumping. But we're still below the $6.76. This is our resistance. Watch out. Yes, Granny, yes. Always around after 1 hour and a half, 2 hours, the market's kind of dying, you know. The volume is kind of slowing down. And the confirmation for that for ARDS, because if ARDS broke now, the 4170, yeah, we're gonna have a huge pullback for many stocks. So ARDS is about to break the 4170. We might have this break before we close our live streaming. What's going on with INTC, man? We have a jump of 5%. Why? This is the only semiconductor that's actually pumped 6%. And the day that was dumping down, the other semiconductor was pumping. This is really strange. We got some news, I think, for Intel. Yeah, we have a huge pump for Intel. This is crazy. Yeah, it's about to break. TikTok. We have 5 minutes. 5 minutes. Yes, it's breaking, guys. Watch out. ARDS. We have kind of head and shoulders. Head and shoulders, guys. Head and shoulders. Bearish signal. Head and shoulders. Watch out. ARDS is breaking. Yeah, it's breaking. Game over. Yeah, ARDS. As we said, we're gonna have a break for this support before we finish our live streaming. So yeah, 1 hour and a half, and we have a pullback. AI, on the other hand, doing all right. So AI stocks doing all right because AI is still holding the 36. Yeah, SoFi is good. That's why it's on our list, guys. SoFi today looking good. Someone bought big time for SoFi here over the $6, guys. That's why the price is reversed. And guess what? After we hit with the huge wall here around the $6.80, again, we do another high lows. So this is good reaction. Boom. Still doing higher lows. This means we're gonna have a continuation for this bullish trend. SoFi good. ARDS is testing. Yeah, kind of broke our support. First sign of weakness. For AI, yes, we're still testing, guys. This AMA. You see, we got resistance. We need to break this pattern, guys. We need to break at least there. 42. Yeah, it's tricky here. Anyway, so we might have a continuation. You see what's happened here? Test for our MA, rejection. CXAI is strong. As long as we hold the 14 is good for continuation. Okay, guys, plus the like button and the win. Don't forget that. We always do our live streaming around 3 p.m. Let me just show you guys. We always do live streaming around 3 p.m. CET. We got almost 103 likes, and we could actually make it 110, guys. Now it's 102. Someone actually disliked the live streaming. Just kind of joking with me, I think. Anyway, and many of you asking about update for ARDS and where we're gonna go for AI, SoFi, CXI. We're gonna do update after we finish our live streaming, as usually do here on Day Trade. As you can see here, we did mini chart analysis update after each live streaming. And of course, many of you asking about, or Destiny asked about, if we have any swing trade coming up after we hit this great swing trade for NVIDIA before the earnings. So yeah, we're gonna do a swing trade for you guys pretty soon, and before the market close for this week, of course. And just remember, we have opened new places for Disciplined Hunter. So use this opportunity to snatch or pick or secure your place on the Disciplined Hunter, because it was already sold out. The first level is already sold out. The link is here, so I put it here. I pin it, guys, if you want to check our Patreon channel and of course our Discord. So here is our link, so you can actually just click it and you go directly to our Patreon and you pick your level. Okay, and if you have a question, as we said, just send me on trading.jesus.contact@gmail.com. Booyah. Perfect. CXI looking good. GFAI going to the moon. It's going toward the $6.76. Watch out, this is a resistant area, guys. $6.76 is a resistant area. I think not today. For MRKR, not today. You see, we tried to break, try to break, boom, got shorted. What else we got?
Okay, I found this on the web for try to break, Bombay Trusted. Check it out.
AI is getting really stupid. Siri getting really stupid, guys. I'm trying to pull the plug on Siri. Really? Hi Siri. How I pull the plug from you? I would just want to turn you off because you're really
I'm
annoying.
sorry, I'm afraid I can't do that.
Oh, Siri, you're really annoying. Siri is like your ex-girlfriend that's always calling you and try to get you back. It's really annoying, man. ARDS going down. SoFi, CXAI. Yeah, CXAI is have accumulation preparation toward the 1724. Boom. Man, the day is getting hot, guys. It's really getting hot. So I'm gonna finish my holy water. I'm gonna get outside for a bit of walk, find a bit of shade, and journal my trade outside, man. It's really hot here inside my house. So Okay, we'll try this. We'll try your question. Let me check. Hey Siri, pull your own plug, please. She didn't understand it. Really stupid. She didn't understand it, man. Yeah, guys, it's not good to just sit, and trading. If you want to trade the whole day, is not wise. Is the best thing is to have the stand-up kind of desk, But for my opinion, guys, if you want to trade, have some kind of like fixed hours. For me, like the first 1 hour and a half, 2 hours, then I stop trading. It's not good to over trade. And then I might trade in the last few hours, And between I journal, I do like at least take a bit of time off from the chart, because it's not good to, you don't have the same focus, when you trade like non-stop for 3 hours or 5 or 7 hours. Exactly, Bud Monster, exactly. Whoa, GFAI looking really good. Oh man, it's breaking. It's kind of breaking the resistance. We have a huge accumulation here, and now we have a breakout. Okay, GFAI, CXAI, AI. So those stocks we have to watch, guys, for today, power hour. Yes, for today we might have power hour for them. And we're gonna do short analysis update for them, of course. Alvaro, always take profit on the way, of course. Hiba, good morning, or good afternoon. You're a bit late, brother. You're a bit late. You can rewatch our live streaming, Hiba, after we finish it here. Will be uploaded automatically on our YouTube channel, so you could actually upload it. I understand. Yeah, work is work, brother. Work is work. Yeah, I think a lot of people working. Bud Monster, yeah, I'm gonna take a break as well. Hiba, so if you work, so we might do a power hour, but not today, on Friday. So you could actually tune in an hour power hour on Friday. So I think you will not be working then. Amjad, thank you for watching, brother. You are welcome. Great. Alvaro Lille took profit on GFAI. Great hunt, brother. Okay, guys, thank you for watching. As we said, we're gonna do update before the market close for AI and the other stocks. And tomorrow, as usual, we're gonna do live streaming and pre-market on our Discord. And yeah, we're gonna do day trade, chart analysis, and swing trade as well. We're gonna do update here for the stocks that will be on our watch list. And if you're not a hunter already, there's 2 places left for the Discipline Hunter. Snatch your place out before it will be taken out. So yeah, thank you for watching, guys. We gotta go, and let's get right to it for tomorrow.